Welcome. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of Leo Tolstoy's language. Tolstoy, one of Russia's greatest writers, is often celebrated for his unique style and expressive power. But what truly sets his language apart? In this video, we'll explore how scholars have tried to answer this question, comparing traditional introspective methods with modern corpus-based analysis. We'll see how perceptions of Tolstoy's style have evolved, and what new insights technology brings to literary studies. Let's embark on this journey to uncover the secrets behind Tolstoy's words and the methods used to study them. Mid-20th century, Alexander Bisk, a passionate reader and expert in Russian literature, published an article on Tolstoy's language. Living in exile, Bisk relied on his deep familiarity with Russian and his own literary taste to analyze Tolstoy's style. He believed Tolstoy stood out from other top writers by avoiding clichés and using unusual expressions. Bisk pointed to phrases like "to build instruments" and "to join the conversation" as examples of Tolstoy's originality. His approach was based on careful reading and personal intuition, a method known as introspection. But how reliable are such observations? Introspection in literary studies means relying on one's own sense of language and style to make judgments. Bisk's article is a classic example. He read Tolstoy's work slowly, noting down anything that felt unusual or distinctive. He compared Tolstoy's language to that of other famous writers, suggesting that Tolstoy's style was closer to everyday speech and less formal than his peers. While introspection can reveal interesting patterns, it's also limited by personal bias and the small sample of texts one person can read. This raises the question, can we trust these impressions? With the advent of computers, a new approach emerged: corpus linguistics. This method uses large digital collections of texts, called corpora, to analyze language patterns objectively. Instead of relying on memory or intuition, researchers can now search thousands of texts for specific words or phrases. This allows for more accurate comparisons and helps avoid the pitfalls of personal bias. When Bisk's observations about Tolstoy were checked against a modern corpus of Russian literature, many of his claims were put to the test. Let's see what the data revealed. Researchers used the Russian national corpus to examine the phrases and constructions Bisk highlighted. Surprisingly, many of the expressions he thought unique to Tolstoy, like "to join the conversation" or "to build instruments," were also found in works by Tolstoy's contemporaries and even other top writers. For example, the phrase "to sit on a cabman" appears in Gogol, Dostoevsky, and others, not just Tolstoy. This shows that what feels unique during close reading may actually be more common than expected when viewed across a broader range of texts. Let's look at some concrete examples. Bisk noted Tolstoy's use of prozhenaya doroga, well-traveled road, instead of the more common prozhia doroga. However, the corpus shows both forms were used by other writers of the time. Similarly, Tolstoy's use of reflexive verbs like ruknitsia, to collapse, was not unique. Other authors used them too. Even the supposedly original nedostalo was lacking, appears frequently in 19th century texts. These findings highlight the importance of large-scale data in understanding literary style. So what does this mean for introspective analysis? While close reading and intuition can point us toward interesting features, they can also mislead us. Our sense of what is unusual or unique is shaped by personal experience and limited exposure. Corpus analysis helps correct these biases by providing a broader, more objective view. It doesn't mean introspection is useless. Rather, the two methods can complement each other. Intuition can guide us to questions, and the corpus can help answer them. The shift from introspection to corpus analysis has transformed how we study literature. Today, scholars can test their ideas against vast databases, uncovering patterns invisible to the naked eye. This approach not only refines our understanding of individual authors like Tolstoy, but also helps map the evolution of language and style across entire eras. As technology advances, the tools for literary analysis will only become more powerful, opening new possibilities for research and discovery. In conclusion, the study of Tolstoy's language shows the value of combining traditional and modern methods. Introspective reading brings passion and insight, while corpus analysis offers precision and scale. Together, they help us appreciate the richness of Tolstoy's style and the complexity of literary language. As we continue to explore the works of great writers, let's remember the importance of both intuition and evidence. Thanks for joining us on this journey through Tolstoy's words and the evolving science of literary analysis.